MNS chief has rigged up the mosque speaker controversy in Mumbai in Maharashtra. Raj Thackeray has said, I quote him here first, mosque speakers are concerning. Yogi Adityanath acted and stopped on the loudspeakers issue, especially how it was becoming more of a concern. MNS chief says no action, however, on the speakers in Maharashtra. Let's listen into what Raj Thackeray said.
आणि आता परवा दिवशी आमच्या महाराष्ट्र राज्याचे मुख्यमंत्री देवेंद्र फडणवीस म्हणतात की आम्ही त्यांना सांगितलेलं आहे रात्री 10 ते सकाळी 6 भोंगे वाजणार नाहीत. अहो तेव्हा वाजतच नाहीत. प्रश्न आहे सकाळी 6 ते संध्याकाळी रात्री 10. या लाऊडस्पीकरचा सततच्या लाऊडस्पीकरचा लोकांना त्रास होतो. तुमचे काही सण बिण असतील तर आपण समजू शकतो. पण सरकार म्हणून कोणतेही पाऊल न उचललं. पाऊल कोणी उचललं? उत्तर प्रदेशने उचललं. योगींनी उचललं. त्यांनी सगळ्यावरचे लाऊडस्पीकर बंद केले. आपण इथे घोषणा केली, लाऊडस्पीकर त्यांनी बंद केले. आमच्या इकडे तसंच चालू आहे.
Vidya continues to be with us. Vidya, so I'm expecting this is going to be the next big controversy, and he's quoting from Uttar Pradesh.
The loudspeaker issue over mosque has been a pet project of the MNS since the last many years. In fact, they have been pointing out, this is not the first time that Raj Thackeray is really pointing out about the issues that emanate because of, and how MNS workers have been taking action against, loudspeakers being put on and they're blaring through at 5 in the morning, during the daytime in residential areas. So, this is an issue that he has been making since the last many years. But of course, this time now targeting, the government in Uttar Pradesh as well. So, it does seem like he will be taking this entire issue of loudspeakers ahead as well.
All right. Vidya, also do you think that this has been an issue in Mumbai or in Maharashtra? Clearly, Raj Thackeray possibly jumping on an issue he realizes there is a void about.
If you remember in the last speech that he had made during Dussehra or a little earlier as well, he has been speaking about how even during post-COVID, pre-COVID as well, how MNS workers had been taking, especially during the COVID times when Uddhav Thackre's government was in place, how it was MNS workers who were, fighting for getting the loudspeakers down from the mosques, and there were cases registered against them. This is an old issue that Raj Thackeray has been repeatedly raking up, to make his political point as to how, there is a bias, especially when there's a government associated with the Congress. These are the issues that he has been raking up. Of course, this time around, he's further taking it a little ahead now.
And this time, if he is trying to in any way align, so to say, with the BJP, with the NDA, what can the government do with this regard, especially as Raj Thackeray is speaking? Thank you very much, Vidya, for now.